Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how chocolate is produced in factories, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Precision turned to sweetness. Every line, every letter, etched in chocolate perfection.
Removing. Each pass of the print head lays down thousands of edible droplets, building color and detail directly on the chocolate surface. In just a few moments, the blank tablet becomes a vivid, full color.
A tiny bear made entirely of chocolate, dressed in a knitted scarf and cap, glazed to a perfect shine. Every brush of gold, every sugar petal, built by hand. Celebrate the season with a gift as memorable as the moment. Handcrafted chocolates shaped like stars, moons, and bells, nestled in a velvet-lined box, finished with your...
Wait till you see how chocolate is made in 2025. Transparent drums, holographic controls, AI mixers, every detail designed for flavor and precision. Smooth.
In the heart of the factory, the chocolate falls like liquid satin, each ribbon catching the light. Robotic hands paint bars with flakes of gold, as if scripting a spell in sugar and cocoa.
Ever seen chocolate made with robots? Watch this.
Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how chocolate is produced in factories, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Inside these drums, roasted cocoa nibs are transformed. The paddles press and fold the paste until every grain melts, becoming the smooth, flowing mass you...
Temperature trending down 1.5 degrees.
Viscosity's coming back into range, holding at 920 pascal seconds.
Mixer at 1480 RPM, torque stable.
Good. Locking in this set point.
suggestions. Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
See the wave along this edge?
Yeah, it's warped. Bubble in this one too.
15.02 out of spec. These two are going to reject.
I'll mark the cavity after we realign.
Pins look good. Let's close it.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how chocolate is produced in factories, from start to finish.